What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be speaking about Modern Success, which is Brian's personal coaching program, and I'm one of his members. I've been in the program now for like a little bit over a year, maybe a year and a half, and I got in the program 2 weeks before getting my license. Best decision I ever made. The reason why I'm sharing this with you guys, he's not paying me or anything like that. It's because I genuinely feel like if somebody watches this, they're getting into sales or they want to improve their communication or their mindset, maybe not even sales, but anything they're doing in life, because joining MS, Modern Success, has contributed to different opportunities and different avenues in my life that I wanted to experience, but it was not really awoken in me, if you will. So joining Modern Success it's not about a certain person telling you exactly what to do, even though it's very, very practical. It's more about inspiring the greatness within yourself and not relying on anybody else for you to get the results that you're looking for. He goes over mindset, he goes over communication, money management, just social dynamics, just a bunch of stuff, but mainly is focused around, business and creating the life of success that you're looking for. Ever since I joined MS and Modern Success, with my communication skills specifically, I've been able to communicate with anybody in any age group. Even my sister-in-law and my brother, they had a kid not too long ago, and when I'm speaking with them, I noticed that the kid is like very engaged. Her name's Naomi. She's very engaged all the time, every time I speak, and it's because body language has been a crazy transformation, and it's communicating something to the subconscious mind and to the people that a lot of people don't see how important that is. So it's body language. If you actually knew, words are only 7% of the actual communication. Delivery, tonality, and body language makes up the rest of the pie. So being in Modern Success has really helped me develop my communication skills. It has helped me develop the mindset to keep growing and keep exploring different avenues for myself, and it's helped me with even like certain things that I felt like maybe a little bit insecure in the aspect of, okay, I don't know what these guys are going to think about me if I do this. At the point that I'm in now, based on everything I learned and everything that I've been able to observe, because it really awakens and opens up your mind to think differently. I view the world completely different just by everything that I learned through the program. So I'm not gonna give you guys the whole thing in regards to every single thing that I learned. It's something that you have to join, and you have to make the commitment to absorb all the value and the knowledge. But guys, if you're thinking about going into sales, if you're thinking about opening up any kind of business, if you're thinking about improving your communication skills, your social life, getting into more of an uplifting mood, even increasing anything, growing in general, if you're looking to grow in life, improving your personal development, there's an interesting quote that Jim Rohn says, and I said this before: your level of success will seldom exceed the level of personal development, because who you become attracts that level of success, right? So by you becoming a certain person, which is what Modern Success kind of molds you into, obviously if you dedicate and you devote your time, you're going to attract the success that you have always been looking to get, because you're becoming a different person and you're attaining different habits, and your communication skills are growing and your mindset is growing and things are just shifting for you. So Modern Success has really helped me open up different avenues and shit. Now I've traveled out of New York, like 3-4 times. I'm traveling again. Tomorrow I'm going to St. Louis for another event. So that's another thing. At first I was a little bit closed-minded on going to live events. When I joined Modern Success, I realized how important it is to meet the people that you actually look up to, the people that inspire you. It's a completely different message, a completely different energy change. So I started going to live events. I started experiencing more social dynamics in the pickup world. I started getting more business. Right now I have like 7 active listings and like 600 contract. Before I was struggling to get 1 listing, but obviously through everything that I was learning, from MS, Brian, and everything else that I was putting in, the work and taking action, I mean, Modern Success has been a huge impact to my business and my social life and the people that I know now. So it's not just about the lecture, the communication, and everything that you learn, but you also get your own space to network with other agents and people in different businesses through its own private Facebook group, which is amazing. And he has Sunday lessons, Sunday lectures every single Sunday at 8 p.m. So you can ask him questions Eastern Standard Time. If you're living in California or Pacific Standard Time, it's going to be 5. But yeah, I mean, there's so much value in Modern Success. And like, even when I turn off this video, I'm probably going to be like, oh, I forgot to say this, because there's just so much in the coaching program that you're able to attain. It's not a regular coaching program where they're just going to teach you scripts and that's it. It's way more than that. The value is, I can't put any words into it. Like, it's helped me level up my life in so many different ways. It's not even funny. So I want to make this specific testimonial, obviously, now, because I'm going to be putting a lot of more videos on YouTube, and I want you guys to be attuned and aware of who I'm learning from, so you understand that it's not, it's not just coming from me. It's coming from the people that I've been learning from, and the books that I've been studying, and the results that I've been getting with it. So this year I'm on my way to doing over 25 listings listed. So yeah, I mean, if you're thinking about it, if you're on the fence, if you already know Brian, get on the program. Guys, if you like this video, if it brought some value into you, if you learned something new, if you're gonna hop on the program, like the video, subscribe, and comment down below. Keller Williams, real estate agent, New York. If you guys have any real estate needs, or if you know anybody that does, again, even with the Modern Success program, I'm part of one of the most elite groups on Facebook with one of the top agents in the whole country. So if you guys ever need anything real estate related, feel free to email me, DM me on Instagram. I always put it on the description. And yeah, comment down below anything else that you guys would like to hear. I love sharing my experiences and my value. Tomorrow I'm going to be going out to St. Louis. So I'm very excited for that. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.